Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sauda Khatun. I read in class 2. I will now present my speech to you in English. Today my topic is the value of times, which is the most important, the wealth of human life. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم نعمتان مغلول فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. My respected teachers and my friends and my brothers, or Miss greetings and congratulations to everyone. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran in Surah Asr, verses number 1 to 3, about the significance of time. وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. By time and death, mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed and done good deeds. And advice is other to truth, and advice is other to patience. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about the time is hadith, نِعْمَتَانِ مَغْلُولٌ فِيهِمَا كَثِيرٌ مِنَ النَّاسِ الصِّحَّةُ وَالْفَرَغُ. Two blessings in which many people are at a loss, good health and free times. Therefore, these two issues must be given great importance. May Allah grant us the ability to and on these matters. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মাশাল্লাহ